Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. See, we have Jaiprada. Already we have met in her last video. If you have not seen, you should see that one. I will be giving you the link in the description. You can go there and check there. And now we are making, she is going to show us another recipe that is going to be healthy also, zero oil, and it's, she said like it is going to be tasty also. She is going to show you the recipe of making vada without oil. Can you explain everything like what you are making today?
Today I am making the kadlebele vade.
Kadlebele vade.
Yeah.
Okay.
The ingredients also very simple and easy to make. We have to soak it for 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours.
Okay. What is this?
Dal. This
Okay,
is
chana dal. Chana dal. We have to soak this.
How
many hours? Like
it's a 2 hours is enough. 2 to 3 hours.
You have soaked it already.
Yeah, I already soaked it. It has become that 1 cup I have taken.
Oh,
this
that much. Yeah. There is a lot of difference, right?
Yeah, that's true. And also you have to strain it.
No water.
No water required for the grind.
Okay.
You have to strain it. The ingredients are green chili, ginger, curry leaf. This is soya leaf, and this coriander leaf.
Dill leaves, right?
Yeah,
dill leaves. So this is dill leaves and coriander leaves. So you have added all the ingredients.
In these ingredients, green ingredients, chili, ginger, curry leaf, and salt also.
Yeah,
salt also I added.
Okay.
First we have to crush this first.
Okay.
Then we have to add the dal.
This dal.
Yeah. Adding the this. We have grinded this. It should be in this much consistency. It should be thicker. And please don't add any water.
Yeah.
Without water, we have to do this. This is all dry ingredients.
So wow, batter is ready. We can say.
Batter is ready. We mixed all the ingredients.
Yeah.
So now we have to place into the
on tawa.
Actually, I have greased the oil. I have greased with oil.
Okay, so sometimes what happens, like a tawa, if you don't season, if you don't put oil, it won't come out. So what we have to do that time is just put little oil and switch on the gas and then just wipe it off with the tissue paper. Then remove all the oil. Then you put this batter, whatever you want, dosa or whatever you want. So that's what she did it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have
Wiped it.
Yeah.
Yes.
We have to do like this, and we have to place it like the same as a vada.
Okay, so yours is little thin, right?
Yeah, it should be thin because otherwise we are not frying deep frying. Yeah,
so
it should be very thin. Then only we can fry it, shallow fry it both.
Yeah, it will cook inside also.
Yeah. And we have to put it at simmer.
Okay.
Simmer. It should be slowly cooked.
Okay. Do we have to cover something on top or
no need?
Not required.
No need. Okay. If you cover it, it will evaporate it and it will get watery. The crispiness you want in vada, you need crispiness, right?
Yeah.
So for that crispiness, you shouldn't
cover that.
Yeah. If you cover a lid, you will get a soft one.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Your choice. Like how you want, you can do that.
But it will cook well. No problem, because we have to take a thicker tawa, like a
thicker pan. Tawa or pan.
Tawa, whatever it is. It should be a thicker one and a low flame.
Okay. So let's cook till that. Wow, very nice. And can you explain about your things? So do you experiment these kind of things for your kids?
Kids for husband both we are experimenting. These kind of things, my husband every day morning he will have the breakfast like this kind of vada and healthy grains things he used to have in the morning.
Okay.
Afternoon rotis like that. For kids, I will put in a box, deep fry.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sometimes even I too do that one. So you have to cook both the sides.
Yes, both the side.
Oh my God, it's so nice. Oh, see, this is so colorful. Very nice.
Without oil we can cook the vada.
Yeah, but the taste is little.
When you adopt this one, you will like this one rather than that.
Yeah, obviously.
Let it cook.
Okay.
So we will prepare within 2 minutes. We will prepare a chutney.
Oh wow, you are ready with the chutney also.
Yeah, this chutney requires coconut. I have taken a half coconut. Little of chana, fried chana, ginger, 1 chili and coriander.
Okay, very nice. And salt for taste.
Yeah, salt for taste. So I'm putting all these ingredients.
Ingredients in the jar.
Yeah. I'm putting little of water.
Chutney is ready. Still it is cooking. Chutney within a minute we did it. So now it's done. Wow, with chutney we will have this. Oh my god. Vada! My favorite vada. Wow, so delicious. Looks so yummy, right?
Take your
Oh
vada.
my
Oil-free
god.
vada.
Oh my god. So beautiful. I'll tell you how the taste is.
Yes.
With the deep fried one, I had long back, but still I have a memory. But this is good for me.
For hearing some first time, no, without
Yeah.
oil means yeah.
Yeah,
We feel
hearing
like
it's weird, but
when you actually
Having-
taste it, it is very yummy and very healthy and very nice to like.
yeah, I can say that it's good only. It's not like oh my god, how without oil how it tastes and all. It tastes good. You just try it out. Wow, I should appreciate for this to her and thank you so much for this. It's so delicious. You have to do this in your home, and even you can make this for your guest also. Why? You see, healthy things comes from you. It's not like you have to learn from anyone. Nothing is there. You prepare doing healthy dish like this and give it to others, even for your guest also. Then give name different name. That's it. If they don't like are vada means they will say no. You just tell different name and tell them how it is. Ask them how it is. They will say it's good, right? Then next time they will only ask, oh that day what you made? Please can you make me for that? Same
We may give a name of
Same day.
this one masala roti.
masala roti.
Kadle masala roti.
Kadle masala roti. You can give whatever name you feel like, and then they will ask for it again. Okay, so very nice. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching till the end. And I'm sure that you are going to make this, and I'm sure that you are going to comment me how it turned out, right? So okay, thank you so much for watching till the end, and thank you so much for
Thank you for coming.
showing this. Oh my god, after a long time I'm having it.
Please
So I am going to have this full. Till that, stay healthy, stay happy, and I can say namaste. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.